Can you DIY your home from Eco Panels of Tennessee? Well, yes and no. Hey, I'm Rob, and I'm up here at the shop at our plant at Hermitage Springs, Tennessee, and we've got actually a customer that's DIYing this little project himself, and I thought we'd kind of talk about that. We have a large percentage of our customers that are DIYers. Maybe they're not building the whole house themselves, but they're doing portions of it themselves. And one of the things that using our product allows you to do is maybe do those wall framing and things like that yourself. I was at a setup a couple weeks ago. A customer is DIY building his own home, and he had some friends and family over. There was probably 7 or 8 of them, not experienced carpenters, and I was out there to help them show how to put things together, and they actually got all the walls of the house up in 3 hours and 10 minutes, which was pretty phenomenal. And they did a great job, and they were really hustling because they were trying to beat the clock, I guess, but they did a fantastic job. So when tackling a DIY project, I guess a couple of disclaimers. I don't want to say it's easy, but it is easier if you're not an experienced carpenter to use a panel, a pre-done panel, because in a wall system, we have 4 panels. We have a corner that will be labeled as C. We have a wall, which is a W. We have a footer and a header to create a window opening, and then we have wall, corner. That's all we have. There's 4. So and they're all numbered and pre-cut. So if you can count to 10 and move along, then you can get it done. But when you're tackling a DIY project, there are a lot of complicated things. Roof framing is more complicated, electrical, plumbing. So just be cognizant of what you're able to do and what you're not able to do. And maybe portions of your house you can do yourself. And potentially with Eco Panels, that's one of those portions you can do yourself and save some labor money. Half the price of building a house is labor. So the more of that you can save, the more you can keep in your budget for the rest of the completion of the house. I'd love to hear about your projects and your intention. I do have a free assembly manual that has a lot of details on how the panels go together. I'd love to send that to you. Just shoot us a note on the email or give us a call, and I'll get that right out to you.